In this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted photos from your iPhone. So if you've accidentally deleted some photos and you want to recover them, there's basically three different ways that we can do this. So the first method is just by heading over to your Photos application on your phone, and we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll have this section called Recently Deleted. Now, this is the first place to check when you've accidentally deleted a photo. Usually they'll end up in this recently deleted folder. They'll usually stay in here for 30 days unless you actually come in here and delete them manually. So if you do find your photo inside of here, then you can just recover it directly from this window. Now, if your photos aren't located in here, the next place to check would be to head over to your iPhone home screen, click on the Settings app on your phone, click on your profile name at the very top, click on iCloud, select Photos, and if you have Sync This Phone turned off, then what you can do is enable Sync This Phone like so. Now, this will only really work if you had Sync This Phone enabled when you originally had the photos, and then for some reason you disabled it at some point. Then basically by re-enabling it, it can sometimes bring back the photos. If you already have this option enabled, then it's not likely to do anything, so you can kind of just ignore this step. Now, another thing to try is to head over to an internet browser, and you want to head over to iCloud.com. From here, sign into your account, scroll down to the Photos app, and sometimes in here you may also find your recently deleted photos. So you'll just need to scroll through this list, and if you do find the photo in here, you can simply select it, and then you can just go ahead and download it directly to your phone. Now, if your photos also aren't inside of iCloud.com, the last place that we can check is by heading back over to the Settings app on your phone. Click again on your profile name at the very top, click on iCloud, and then scroll down to iCloud Backup. Now, if you have regular backups turned on your phone, then this is also another place that you might be able to recover your photos. So right down at the bottom here, you can see all device backups. If I click on that, that's going to go ahead and give some more information about when this last backup was. So this all really depends on the time the backup was taken and what backups you have available on your device. So how you actually restore a backup on your iPhone is by heading over to the Settings app once again, scrolling down to General, and then coming all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And right at the bottom, you'll see this option, Erase All Content in Settings. So in order to restore your backup, you need to first reset your phone. And then when you start it up, obviously all of the data will be completely removed. And then you'll need to go through the steps on the screen to recover the iPhone from an existing backup. Now, just a word of caution that you may want to make a separate backup of your phone before carrying out this step. This is an absolute last resort because obviously it will erase everything on your phone. So you can use this method to recover photos, but again, just kind of take caution on this. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next one.